Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Nurse on the Go podcast. In today's episode, I wanted to dedicate it to all you beautiful people. I want to let you know that you can push through this and continue to stay motivated and be that hard worker that you know you are. I want you to know that you should never give up on your dreams. Never give up on your goals because they are a goal for a reason. You want to achieve it. You know your strengths. You know what you're capable of. No one can tell you no but yourself. I want to let you know something. Every great person on this earth who left a mark and a big impact on this earth did not give up on their goals. They kept on pushing. They kept on moving. Even if something did not go their way, did they give up? No. They said, okay, that's life. Let me keep pushing. Let me keep going on this journey because it's what I have to do. Do not make excuses for yourself. I'm telling you, excuses will only drag you down. Excuses will only make you waste time. Time is money. Time is such great quality. Time is an essence you can never get back again. You only experience 1 second once. You only experience this moment right here once. You'll never get this time again. Because right now, it'll turn into your past, and you'll never be able to say, I made a change in my life. You'll never be able to say, I took this very moment and made a change in my life for the better. I improved my life because I wanted to. I didn't give up because I felt weak, or I felt intimidated, or I was afraid and fearful of what is to come. No. You're gonna say, I'm strong, I am powerful, and I can get through anything that comes my way. How bad do you want your goals? Do you want someone else to come and take them from you? Because I'm letting you know that there are hundreds of millions of people who would wish to be where you are right now. But instead you're contemplating studying, you're contemplating going for that walk or exercising. You're contemplating doing something that you've been wanting to do your whole life. Why? You are never guaranteed tomorrow. You are never guaranteed another second in life. So why don't you make the most of what you have now? Every time I would start a new journey, whether that be physically with a new health goal, or whether that be in relation to my education, I always told myself, wow, I always wish I started sooner. I said, why would I procrastinate? Why would I waste this precious time? But in the moment, you're like, oh, I have tomorrow. Oh, I have the day after. Oh, my exam or marathon is not for another month, so who cares? You should care. No one's gonna care for you but yourself. Invest in yourself. Prove to yourself that you are worthy and capable of getting stuff done. Don't stoop your standards or belittle yourself because you think you're not capable. There are so many things in this world and things I've experienced in my life that I personally thought I wasn't capable of doing, and I shocked myself. I pushed my boundaries. I really figured out what I was able to do, and you know what I realized? There are no boundaries to life. There's endless fields and there's endless careers and there's endless goals that you can give yourself, and they are 1000% achievable. Only if you put in the time, the effort, the dedication. You might say to yourself, oh, well, it's easier said than done, but how would you even know? How would you know if something is easier said than done if you've never done it? Put in that effort. Stop making excuses. Give yourself a chance. The worst that could happen is it doesn't work out for you. But guess what? It most likely will. But you'll never know unless you try. You will never know your capabilities unless you start running. You'll never know your capabilities unless you start picking up yourself from your weakest points. Picking up yourself physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, etc. Picking up yourself entirely and reaching your goals. They are an arm's length away, but you are just so fogged up with the fear the fear of chasing your goals, the fear of judgment, the fear of failure. You can never fail if you try. You only fail if you never try at something and give up. How do you give up on something you never started? Explain to me that concept of giving up when you never even tried an effort. So right now, I want you to give that effort. I want you to tell yourself that you are capable. You are capable of doing anything you set your mind to. You are not weak. Stop telling yourself that. You are stronger than any person that told you you were weak. You are capable of endless possibilities, and they are all out there waiting for you to just come and grab them. Okay, so now repeat after me. I can do this. I am strong. The sky is the limit. There are endless possibilities for me. I will never give up. Tomorrow is not guaranteed. I can do this now. I got this. I love myself. Perfect, guys. Good job. I hope you feel so motivated right now because I know you got this. You know you got this. Just start. It's as simple as that. Mind over matter. Mindset is what guides the actions. I promise you that. So start getting in the mindset of being a hard worker and everything will follow right after. You got this, guys. Feel free to visit my Instagram at the Nurse on the Go podcast for motivational posts as well as educational posts. I want to let you know that my DMs are always open if you have any questions, concerns, or if you just need any sort of advice. I'm always here for each and every one of you. I hope I reminded you guys that you have the strength to get through this. You guys are very strong and powerful people. Talk to you soon. The Nurse on the Go.